The 2018 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning front, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, heated and cooled front seats, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, trip computer, off-road package, remote keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.